Hey, this is Mike, and today I'd like to talk about Inseego Corp. The stock trades on the Nasdaq under symbol INSG. The stock was up a little over 3%, up to 1456. It did move a little bit higher, up to 1460. You see the stock really popped up really high and then lost a little bit of steam. You look over the past month, the stock has been moving downward. However, if you pull back to the past 6 months, you see it did have a big pop in November. And of course, you could get some short-term selling when you get a huge rise from 9 up to almost 18. So it's pulling back down. I think it's starting to get to a level where you may want to go ahead and start nibbling on this stock. It may move down a little bit lower down to the 14 or 13 level. However, in the long term, I think Inseego is going to do really well. So if you want to get in now, that's fine, even if it does move lower, because I think overall this is a stock that definitely has the potential to double over the next 12 months because Inseego is involved with the build out of 5G. And, in 2020, a lot of companies did not have the opportunity to really build out their 5G because of the pandemic and everything else. But in 2021, communications is really important for a company. It's just you can't be efficient if you don't have quality communication. So, for instance, let's say you have a team that works out on the field, for instance, fleet vehicles. You want to make sure that they have great communications. That's going to be really important. If you have a business that's involved with manufacturing, you need one team to communicate with another team. You got to make sure that your communications is really well done, especially if you want 5G for your home or business. That's going to be important. A lot of people are working from home. They'll be doing a lot of video conferencing and Zoom meetings, so you're going to want to have really fast 5G. Do you see an overall demand for 5G across residential and commercial applications? So I do think there's going to be a big demand for Inseego over the next 12 months, and it's definitely a stock that has the potential to double. Of course, with this crazy chart here, you may experience a lot of volatility. However, you have to trade off the volatility with the possibility that you're going to get some outsized returns over the next 12 months. And I definitely think that's possible because, like I said, communications is important whether you're working from home or you're operating a business. So definitely check out Inseego. Again, trace on the Nasdaq on symbol INSG. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.